Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In this video we're talking about this cool little battery testing strip, and it is wallet friendly and it tests a 9-volt battery. The larger portion is your negative, that is your positive, and you align this little strip accordingly. Just by pressing down you can see the actual charge beginning to show up on the actual test meter strip. And what we're looking for is that green portion on the far right to come in. It's slowly coming in, as you can see, but this is an old battery, so I don't expect it to come in fully, but you can see a little tint coming in. So that's it. I just wanted to show you this little cool battery testing strip. Again, this is wallet friendly and you can carry it inside your wallet. It's pretty neat. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely turn on your YouTube notifications in your settings. Once you do that, every video we upload, you will be notified and you will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be cool. Thanks again.